It's tea time, friends! In today's video, I'm sharing with you 4 fantastic fall-inspired, herbal, and amazing spice-enhanced teas that are great for your health and wellness this fall that I think you're going to love. So, let's get started. So the first tea that I'm drinking that smells so fantastic is this new tea. It's an organic tea. It's a loose leaf tea called Kusmi tea. And this is the Aqua Exotica. It's this beautiful, beautiful kind of burgundy, rich color. It's so fantastic. The Kusmi tea comes in a loose leaf version, and you can also get it in tea bags. I prefer the loose leaf, but I will tell you the cap is not overly stable. So I end up storing this in a glass container in my little tea zone in my kitchen. But here are the amazing fruits that you're going to find in the Kusmi tea. You're going to find hibiscus, mango, dragon fruit, and apple. These are dried chunks. There are a lot of these in the tea. So by drinking the Aqua Exotica tea with hibiscus, you're going to promote heart health. You're going to lower your blood pressure levels, and it promotes a sense of calm in your body. The apple in the Kusmi tea, dried apple, is going to improve your gut health and helps reduce inflammation. The other benefit in consuming mango, the dried mango, all of that gives like a nice sweetness and a very nice taste to it. But mango specifically is going to give you extra vitamin C. And in the fall, it's good to have vitamin C in your daily tea routine so that you keep your body and your immune system stable and supported during cold and flu season. And the last and final powerful fruit is one that I have actually never found in a tea, and I was really excited to see this. It's dragon fruit. Dragon fruit is amazing, especially for us ladies. I have a free webinar that actually details all the amazing benefits of dragon fruit on breast health, but I will just tell you this. The clinical studies on dragon fruit show that dragon fruit, the properties, the botanical, just amazing power of dragon fruit, it has the capacity, and when we see it in clinical studies, it has a capacity to kill breast cancer cells in our breast tissue. So this tea is amazing. Aqua Exotica, I love, and I'm a huge fan of it. I recommend you drink it every day. It smells fantastic, and it's caffeine-free, so it's okay to drink at night. My next favorite tea, this is another new find. I was so excited because I wasn't sure how it would taste, but this is a 6 mushroom defense tea, and this is by Bravo Tea. And it comes in a tea bag. There are multiple 20 tea bags in this. Oh, it smells great. This tea contains 6 functional mushrooms, and it leads with my favorite, lion's mane. It also has wild chaga, turkey tail, maitake, mushroom, reishi, cordyceps. It also contains some powerful adaptogenic herbs like eleuthero, astragalus, and salmon seal. I love this tea. So this tea, the 6 mushroom defense tea, it is so powerful for any of you who are dealing with an assortment of stress. Next to my stress suppressed tea, this is my number 2 stress reducing, adaptogenic enhancing, adrenal supportive tea. You can drink this anytime throughout the day because, again, like the Aqua Exotica, this is caffeine free. I will tell you my experience in drinking this, I had the best night's sleep that I've had in a really long time. And I drank this about 2 or 3 hours before I went to bed. And wow, was it highly effective. So I will list this and the other teas down in the description box below. If you're a fan of pumpkin spice tea, then you're going to love my next 2 teas that I'm recommending. And these are 2 new teas to our market. I'm really, really excited because Organic India always makes my list. And they have this fall-inspired chai. It's turmeric, Tulsi chai. It's stress relieving, it's inspiring, it smells absolutely divine, and it's a great, great tea for enhancing your body and supporting and reducing stress. You can smell it from the tea bag. It's so delicious. And Organic India is a really clean brand. Their tea bags are clean. And Tulsi, if you're unfamiliar with Tulsi, And I have a whole series on Organic India's teas. They basically make every tea time because they're so fantastic. I think the last time I featured, they had the Tulsi, turmeric, ginger, but they have the chai instead. If you like chai tea, it's a really wonderful flavor. And simply put, they start off with the black tea, so that's part of the chai. So there is a little caffeine in it. Turmeric, cinnamon, ginger. You get holy basil with 2 different types of leaves. Cardamom, I love cardamom. Black pepper, clove, a little stevia, mace aril, and nutmeg. This is fantastic. And I drink it plain, but if you wanted, you could add oat milk or an almond milk to it. You can even add a little honey, but there is stevia in it. It's very mild. It's not anything, intense, but it does give you a nice flavor. So you could further enhance this by adding some more stuff to it, but on its own, this is a really good tea. And with turmeric and Tulsi combined, you're reducing your inflammation levels, you're supporting your stress levels. For a lot of us, fall can be stressful because of the changes of season, the change in the weather affects allergies that put stress on our body. And then also the time change is highly stress inducing. And then we're going right on into the fall season. So if you're like me, fall can be a little bit more stress inducing because it's school's in and we got a lot of birthdays and all sorts of events and holidays and planning. This is a really good addition if you want that kind of spice flavor. Next up on my list is another new one, and this is a spice chai latte kit. So just a quick warning, there is sugar and there is milk in this, but I'm gonna kind of give you a little caveat. I'm okay with this brand if you are okay with drinking milk. I do not recommend drinking this at night if you don't want it to affect your sleep, but with the black tea, you're gonna get a hit of caffeine. So let me share with you, there's 2 parts to this tea, which is kind of fun. There is a chai spice pod, and it comes out, it's this little star pod or tea drop, if you will. And then there's a latte creamer. It's a milk and sugar pack. So this is fun, you can travel with this. And I've traveled recently with this. Gabriel and I went to Minnesota for a short weekend, and we also went to Houston to see the Space Center. This travels really easily, and I love it. And it's so much cheaper than the yucky Starbucks, spiced chai lattes and all that stuff. So this is the one kind of thing I want to tell you. It is dense in milk and sugar. There's about 14 grams of sugar in the creamer and 6 grams of sugar in the tea drop. So you're going to get about 20 grams of sugar. It's an intensive hit of sugar, but if you're already taking the pumpkin spice tea and drinking all the pumpkin spice lattes and everything, those are like 60, 70 grams of sugar and sometimes more. So this is definitely not for any of you going keto or wanting to lower your sugar content. But I will say, I'm a huge fan of chai. I spent a month traveling in India and I drink chai all the time. This is very authentic. It tastes very original and it tastes very much like the chai tea I drank in northern India. I loved it. So I wanted to share this with you. You may or may not like it, and it's okay. But for me, it's a nice treat. And will I consume this every day? No, but it's really delicious. And if you like chai, the seasons are changing and it's cooler. There's just something really nice, I feel, when I get home from dropping Gabriel off in the morning. After a walk, I grab my chai tea, I sit outside, I do my journaling. It's crisp, it's cool, that's warming. It's a great way to start the day. Tea is an awesome way to start the day. So happy tea time. I'm curious, out of all of the teas I shared with you today, which ones are inspiring? Which ones are you thinking about trying? Comment down below and let me know. I'll be choosing one comment winner who comments in the first 24 hours of today's video to win this amazing fall-inspired tea mug that has a cute cap and is just so adorable for you to be inspired to drink tea. So make sure you comment down below, and I'm so excited to choose a winner this week. And I look forward to seeing you on our next video. Have a great day.